Hello and welcome to fainin. Through your organization or company, you are part of a community. This means you can share with other members of your community completely free of commission fees. Getting started is very easy. Register with the email address known to your organization so we can best assign you to a group and ensure seamless integration into the community. If you are looking for your individual community, you can click on the Communities tab at the top right corner of fainin.com under the Upload Product section. Then, on the overview page, search for the name of your organization or company and click on Show or Join. Once you are part of your community, you can browse the platform, borrow items, or rent them out. To upload your own product, go again to the top right corner and click on the Upload Product tab. Add a photo, a name, and your description text, and in the next step, choose how many euros you want to rent out your item for. Of course, you can also do this for free. Then enter your pickup address. This can be either the organization or your private address. In the final step, you can choose in which of your communities the item should be displayed and whether it should also appear on the public marketplace. Click on Upload and wait for the first rental requests to come in. Enjoy the experience of connecting with your community and making the most of the things you already own.